Hey, this is Jurek. I'm at Miami Airport. Woo! As you can hear, the planes are coming in, right? So where the heck am I? Miami, Florida. Having another great week working with some real estate investor friends. But in any event, what is the lesson for today? Needs versus wants. As you work with potential motivated sellers, what do they need versus what do they want? The want is so much more different than the need. If you can get them to tell you what they need and be able to satisfy that need, you may be able to work out a deal. Sometimes sellers will tell you what they want, but what they need is totally different. Will they sell for less? They might. Will they carry back a note? They might. Will they often give you favorable terms? They might. Will they sell significantly less if you can close very quick with cash? They might. So you just got to ask. So remember, as you're working with potential motivated sellers out there, remember, is it truly a need or just a want? And see what you can negotiate. That's key. All right? Good luck getting that next deal. Go make your dreams a reality. Take care. Another beautiful night in Miami. Bye, everybody. Believe and achieve.